on the books. What are they going to do? You come one, come all. I know it's the best country, but we will not be the best country if we take everybody from every country. Brian Kilmeade Show, your call's next.
Politics, current events, and news that affects you. Brian's got a lot more to say. Stay with Brian Kilmeade.
What is meat meal, and why is it in your dog food? As awful as it sounds, meat meal can be made of spoiled supermarket meat and packing house scraps, and you never feed that to your dog, right? That's why Dr. Marty Pets developed Nature's Blend, because your dog needs a diet full of real cuts of meat, similar to what they would eat in the wild. Dogs go bonkers for the premium flavor and texture of Nature's Blend. In fact, when given the choice between Nature's Blend and Amazon's #1 bestseller in dry dog food, 29 out of 30 dogs chose Nature's Blend first. Nicole from Seattle writes us and says this: I have a senior Chihuahua, and he's been bouncing around the house like a new pup. Give your dog a food they will love. Support their youthful energy, healthy skin, easy digestion, and happy full life without meat meal. For a limited time, claim 54% off your dog supply of Dr. Marty Pets Nature's Blend and receive a free pack of premium dog treats. Go to drmartypets.com/turkey or text turkey to 511-511. Text turkey to 511-511. Study available upon request. Message and data rates may apply.
Paid for by Christian Care Ministry.
Let's see, if something costs less, but people are happier with it, that sounds like something to look into, and that's MediShare. Maybe you've heard switching to MediShare to pay for healthcare can save the typical family $500 a month. And that's huge, but it's also true that people are way more satisfied after making the switch. Too, the customer satisfaction rate for MediShare is double that of the typical health insurance plan. MediShare works. It's been around for more than a quarter century, and members have shared more than $3 billion of each other's bills. People love having telehealth and a huge nationwide PPO network. So, yeah, you can save a ton and like it better. Imagine being happy with how you're taking care of your health care. So if you're self-employed or part of the gig economy, or you just want a plan you're happy with, you can call right now and get a price within 2 minutes. A very, very smart use of 2 minutes. Here's the number you need: 855-51-BIBLE. That's 855-51-BIBLE, 855-51-BIBLE.
Sonoma County weather is a hot mess. There's always something to watch out for. We all know what a drop of rain does to your drive. That's why you need a weather team that puts you first. Sonoma County's FM News Talk, KSRO.
Sonoma County's FM News Talk, KSRO.
Hi, it's Rainey with the Poly Class Foundation. We've been helping families find their missing children and keeping kids safe for almost 30 years. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and are committed to assisting every family who needs us. We offer free social media safety education in schools and to our community. These programs give our kids the tools they need to avoid being lured online by adult predators. We understand how difficult it can be to talk to your children about these matters, but they're important conversations that must be had. If you'd like some tips on talking with your child, please visit our website for helpful guidance. We rely on your vehicle donations to make these vital programs possible. If you have a car, truck, boat, or RV you no longer need, please give us a call. We make donating easy and you'll receive the maximum tax deduction. Call the Poly Class Foundation today at 707-769-1334 or go to polyclass.org. And thank you for your support.
Country Summer, presented by Bud Light, rocks the Sonoma County Fairgrounds in Santa Rosa, June 16th, 17th, and 18th. Country Summer with Leonard Skinner Friday. Eric Church Saturday.
All I wanna do is put a drink in my hand.
And Lee Price and Brothers Osborne Sunday.
But it ain't my fault.
Are You One of Them? Along with the Cadillac 3. Matt Stell and Tyler Farr in all. Over 20X across the Chevy Silverado and Redwood Credit Union stages. Brought to you by Bud Light, Bay Area Chevy Dealers, Redwood Credit Union, River Rock Casino, Ungaro & Sons, 10 Barrel Brewing Company, and Pape Material Handling. Plenty of activities for the whole family to enjoy. You won't want to miss out on Northern California's biggest party. Tickets on sale now at countrysummer.com.
Are you the parent of a 2 to 7-year-old? Listen closely for an exciting free radio offer. By now, you've probably heard of ABC Mouse. the Parents' Choice Award-winning online learning program that's actually changing the lives of early learners everywhere.
ABC Mouse is like a little one-on-one teacher. It has helped her so much.
Right now, we're offering a special radio promo to try it free for a month. But you have to go to abcmouse.com/radio to claim your free month. That's abcmouse.com/radio.
Sponsored by Age of Learning.
Never gamble with your news. Stay connected. Stay informed. Stay listening to Sonoma County's FM News Talk.
KSRO.
Made in America.